is a perfect one.
I think this one is perfect.
Oh, that was heavy. Good job, dear. It's ready now. Here, Grandma. I've got this one. Be careful, my dear. There, all done. Perfect. That's the last one.
Good job, dear. Now let's head inside.
I've been waiting for you. Come warm up by the fire.
안녕하세요. Oh, hello.
Good morning.
Heading home with those?
Yes, for kimchi. 할머니, 다 왔어요. 구경하러 가요. 어서 오렴. 아주 예쁘게 꾸몄구나.
Welcome, dear.
Come in, it's cold. Thank you, Grandma. Come, my dear. The food is ready. Wow, it looks delicious, Grandma. 참 맛있구나, 할머니. 그렇죠, 할머니는 요리 솜씨가 최고예요.
Welcome.
It's so beautiful here. Time for the salt, dear. Here you go, Grandma. Almost done, Grandma. Just a little more. Good job. I think these are ready now. They look perfect. Okay, Grandma. I brought the tub. Perfect, thank you. Looks like we're ready. Ah, smells like winter and spices. Look at that! Perfect slices! Just like you taught me, Grandma. The rice is cooking perfectly. Oh, I can see the steam now. Yes, look at it go. Looks delicious. Well done, Grandma. Perfect! Just like my mother taught me. I'm glad you like it, Grandma. The cabbages are ready for the seasoning. Oh, they look perfect, Grandma. This smells so delicious. The paste is just right. Oh! It smells amazing, Grandma. Ah, that's it. Press it down well. Like this, Grandma? Perfect. We'll have enough to last the winter. The winter kimchi is ready. Perfect. Time to start cooking. Oh, it smells delicious already.
Smells so good, doesn't it?
It does, Grandma.
Try this one, Grandma.
Oh, thank you. Looks delicious.
되게 먹는 양 짱구 단치다치라 예.
Welcome, welcome. Please join us. Yes, come and eat. It's so delicious. We made this just for you.